Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another Quickie yoga session. So for this class, we are going to make sure that our obliques are okay. So we'll start in a tabletop position. Okay. From here, you'll step your right foot back and then you'll bring the right leg over to the left side, any amount. Okay. And then from here, you'll push your right hip towards the side. Okay. Maybe gently pressing the right shoulder forward. So we'll get that side body stretch. On the right side, we'll release. Inhale, hips press towards the right, and then release. One more, pressing towards the right, and then release. You'll take that on the other side. Left foot steps back, breathing in. As you exhale, swing that leg over to the right. Okay. And then from here, you can actually hold, get that side body stretch, or press the hip towards the left, and then release. As you press the hips towards the left, maybe left shoulder can reach forward, and then release. Inhale. Last set. And then we'll slowly release. Okay, from here, we'll tuck the toes, and then lift up and press back into downward facing dog. And then as we connect with the breath here, lengthen the inhale, lengthen the exhale. So from here, we'll look in between the hands, knees bend, step one foot, followed by the other foot. Inhale, we'll come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back by the sides. Okay, inhale, we'll lift. Exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. And as you exhale, making your way back. Okay, step one foot back, followed by the other. You can hold plank, or you can choose to transition through. Bend any amount. Inhale, pressing the shoulders back. And then exhale into downward facing dog. From here, we'll lift the right leg up. Then we'll step it through in between the hands. Traction the thighs. As you come all the way up, we'll find high lunge. Okay. From here, let your right hand hold onto the left arm or the left wrist. You'll pull your left side up, and then we'll reach on towards the right. Okay. So we'll feel the stretch, the left side body at the front of the left thigh. Hold steady here. Hold that zipper as you draw the belly in. One more cycle here. And then as you exhale, we'll slowly release. Hands come down as you step back. Lengthen the exhale. Lengthen the inhale. And then as you exhale, pressing back into downward facing dog. Okay, let's try that on the left. Left leg lifts up. As we step it through, you come up to the fingertips if you need to adjust. And then as you inhale, we'll come all the way up. Nice. Bending any amount at that front knee. Oops, finding balance. This time, left arm or left hand holds onto the right arm. Pull that right side up. And then as you exhale, we'll lean on towards the left this time. Hold steady here. Draw that zipper as we find that side bend. One more breath in. And then as you exhale, we'll release. Hands come down. Okay, you can transition through if you like. Lengthen the breath. As we inhale. And then exhale into downward facing dog. You can bend the knees any amount. Just focus on reaching that butt back. One more cycle here. And then from here, we'll look in between the hands. Knees bend as you step forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll lift the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back. Inhale, we'll lift. Exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. And then as you exhale, we'll step back. You can transition through. Lengthen the breath. Mindful of the inhale. then exhale into downward facing dog. Okay, we'll lift the right leg up. And we'll step it through in between the hands. We'll ground that left foot, and then we'll come up to warrior two. Okay, so just passing through warrior two, we'll flip that right palm up, and then we'll reach up and over. And then this time, left hand holds onto the right wrist. Keep that right knee bending as you reach back. Breathing here, holding steady in our reverse warrior. One more breath in. And then from here, we'll slowly release, coming all the way down as you step back. Okay. Again, your choice through the transition or exhale straight into downward facing dog. Okay, we'll try that on the left side. Left leg lifts up. Okay, as we step it through, grounding that right foot. Come up into warrior two. Okay, so bend any amount at that front leg. We'll flip that left palm up, and then we'll reach up and over. Okay, so this time, right hand holds onto the left wrist as you pull up and back. Breathing here. Okay, so just stretching that left side body. One more breath in. And then as you exhale, we'll slowly release as we step back. Lengthen the exhale. Lengthen the inhale. And then exhale into downward facing dog. Pushing away from the floor. One more breath in. As we look in between the hands. Knees bend, step one foot forward, followed by the other. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back. Inhale, we'll reach the arms up. Exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. And then as we exhale, we'll step back to a plank. And then you can transition through just to add to that heat. And then exhale into downward facing dog. Okay. From here, we'll shift forward to plank. Okay. And then we'll come down to the forearms. Maybe one forearm at a time. And then from here, can you bring the right palm to face the left elbow? Okay. You'll bring the soles of the feet together. Okay. The feet together. Adjust. Okay. And then we'll find this variation of side plank. Left hand can be on the hip. And then from here, we're just going to dip the hips down. Okay. But we're not relaxing. We're hovering. And then find that zip on the right side to press the hips up. Okay. So we'll let the hips hover. We'll press up. We'll let the hips hover. We'll press up. One more. Let the hips hover. We'll press up. Okay. From here, we'll just switch. Left forearm down. We'll turn. You can stack the feet. Okay. Push away from that right hand. Push away from the left forearm. Right hand can be on the hip, or you can even reach the right arm up for this side if you like. So let the hips dip. You press up. Dipping down the hips. We'll press up. One more. Hips will dip. And then we'll lift. Okay. From here, we'll come back. Come back to your forearm plank. Okay. And then from here, you can lower the knees down, chest down, belly down. Bend at the elbows, palms press, lifting the chest away from the floor. And then exhale into downward facing dog. Okay, breathing here. One more breath in. Okay, so adding on, we'll shift forward to plank. Okay, we'll come down to the forearms again. All right. And then from here, we'll bring the soles of the feet together. Okay. Turn the soles of the feet together, not the soles of the feet together. Okay. You'll pivot onto that right side, turning the elbow so palm will press down. This time lifting that left arm up. Okay, inhale. And then from here, this time we have to lift the hips up so that we can bring the left hand under. Nice. And then we'll lift it back up. Inhale. As you exhale, bringing that left hand under, reaching towards the right. Inhale again. 2 more. Pressing away from that right arm. Nice. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Nice. And then from here, okay, you can bring the left forearm down, start to turn, stacking the feet, lifting that right arm up, breathing in. And then from here, we'll lift the hips up as we bring that right hand under. Inhale. Exhale as we thread. Nice. 2 more, breathing in and breathing out. Last one, inhale. Okay, hugging that side body as you push away from the mat. Inhale, lift. And then from here, come down to the forearms again. Hold forearm plank, breathing in. And from here, bring the knees down, chest down. Reset the hands. Inhale, lift up to cobra. And then as you exhale, pushing back into downward facing dog. Breathing in through the nose. Breathing out through the nose. One more breath here. From here, we'll bring the knees down, sitting on our feet. Okay, taking a moment. And then bringing the hands together. Namaste. So I hope you enjoyed that session, and our side bodies are already awake. So don't forget to check out my other Quickie Yoga classes. So they're here. Give it a try, and make sure to like and subscribe in the channel. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.